Co-op E-Mark. If you're a creative type of person, the next gadget on our list is sure to appeal to you. The Co-op E-Mark is a handheld printing device that allows you to leave your mark on everything from paper to textile materials. The Co-op E-Mark is able to deliver full-color printing in a device only marginally larger than the average computer mouse. This handheld printer sure is packing some serious technology. You don't need to waste money on costly rubber stamps for your office. The Co-op E-Mark can replicate them all in moments. You can change designs super quickly and easily using the free Co-op app on your smartphone. You might think that this kind of futuristic printing technology would set you back thousands of dollars, but the Co-op E-Mark costs just $400.
8.
Bellabeat Health Tracker. Keeping track of your health is incredibly important in order to live your best life, and a lot of tech product manufacturers are keen to sell you smartwatches and fitness trackers that promise to do just that. However, most of these products are unappealing visually and stand out like a sore thumb. The Bellabeat Health Tracker is a wellness tracker that combines technology with fashion, so you never have to lose out on either. Designed with the needs of busy modern women in mind, the Bellabeat Health Tracker keeps track of stress, meditation periods, physical activity, sleep cycles, and even periods. The Bellabeat Health Tracker is totally water resistant and safe to wear in the shower, meaning you never have to lose a second of important data. Style is important, and the Bellabeat Health Tracker is made from attractive wood composite and stainless steel. It's been specially designed so you can wear it as either a bracelet or a necklace.
7.
WeatherPoint 2.0. First up on our list is a gadget that's sure to delight amateur meteorologists and tech enthusiasts alike. The WeatherPoint 2.0 is a miniature weather station so small that it can be carried around on a keyring. Smartphones are great for a quick overview of the weather, but they're a little limited in the sensors they have to actually get real-time results. Instead, they generally receive their data from external weather stations that could be hundreds, if not thousands of miles away. The WeatherPoint 2.0 connects to your smartphone using the 3.5mm audio jack, or an adapter for that jack, to provide in-person real-time readings of humidity, temperature, atmospheric pressure, and even UV index. You can grab all of this information and more using the free app. The durability of anything you carry around on a daily basis is very important. That's why the WeatherPoint 2.0 is totally waterproof and can be immersed underwater without fear of damage. You don't need to replace batteries or charge the WeatherPoint 2.0 at any point. It's only active when it's connected to your smartphone and is able to draw all the power it needs just from being connected.
6.
Tiny light. We've all been in situations where we wished we had a flashlight with us. But besides people who carry around bags full of survival gear, who actually has the space to bring a flashlight with them on a day-to-day basis? Introducing Tiny Light, one of the smallest flashlights ever produced. This amazing little gadget has been designed to fit onto any standard keyring without adding much by way of bulk. It actually weighs less than a key and is shorter in length than a AAA battery. You might expect a flashlight of this size to be lacking in power, but Cree LED technology allows the Tiny Light to punch well above its size in this department. The beam produced by the Tiny Light can reach distances of up to 50 meters. In standard mode, you'll get 20 lumens of light production. But in situations where you need to pump up the brightness, you can switch to turbo mode and get a staggering 100 lumens from the Tiny Light. There's no need to worry about expensive batteries with the Tiny Light. It recharges using a standard micro USB cable.
5.
Kusuri Mug Warmer. Anyone who works in an office knows just how important a good cup of coffee can be in order to keep up with the demands of the business world. However, there's nothing more annoying than coming back to find your coffee has gone cold. Introducing the Kusuri Mug Warmer, an innovative new gadget that promises to keep your coffee at just the right temperature for as long as you need. Set your own temperature and choose just how hot you want that coffee to be. The Kusuri Mug Warmer can maintain temperatures anywhere from 77 degrees to 194 degrees. Capacitive touch buttons allow you to interact with the mug warmer easily and efficiently. The Kusuri Mug Warmer has been designed to be totally spill resistant in order to give you peace of mind during use. Aesthetics are important, especially when office politics are of concern. But that's no problem for the Kusuri Mug Warmer with its sleek brush stainless steel design.
4.
Rollova Hozo. If you have to measure anything on a regular basis, you'll know just how frustrating traditional rulers and tape measures can be. They don't deal well with anything other than straight, flat surfaces at all. Introducing the Rollova Hozo, an innovative new way to measure that leaves old-fashioned methods in the dust. Measuring technology has remained stuck in the past for far too long now. The rollova hozo brings it right into the future, though, by embracing the advancements in technology our society has seen over the last few years. This ingenious mini gadget operates as a fully digital ruler without the need for any tapes or sticks. Simply roll the rollova hozo along the surface you want to measure, and its advanced internal circuitry will do the rest for you. You can even set the unit of measurement you want to use. Rollova hozo isn't just some cheaply made cash-in, though. This bit of kit is made from the highest quality materials, including machined stainless steel. That means that you can be sure the rollova hozo will stand the test of time.
3,
TileMate Tracker Finder. If you're the kind of person who's forever losing their keys and wallet, you're going to love the final mini gadget on our list. TileMate is a miniature tracking device that locates your stuff using the Bluetooth connection to your smartphone. Locate your missing valuables from distances up to 200 feet away. Someone steal your stuff? The TileMate patches into the network of every tile owner in the city and pings you when it goes within 200 feet of someone else's phone who owns a tile too. TileMate is so small, you can attach it to just about anything you want. It's ideal for key rings, backpacks, wallets, and more. Due to the fact that the TileMate uses ultra-low power Bluetooth instead of a GPS, the batteries last for up to 1 year. That's a great battery. There are no service fees for using the TileMate, and the smartphone app for locating your stuff is totally free to download on iPhone and Android.
2,
Walk car. Every now and then you might find yourself wanting to get to your destination a little quicker, but be without access to your car. Walk car is an exciting new product that allows you to take a vehicle with you everywhere. In fact, it's pitched by manufacturer Coco Motors as a car in a bag. Walk car weighs just 2.8 kilograms and is only 13 inches large, about the same size as a MacBook Pro. That's a small vehicle. A single charge delivers up to 60 minutes of driving time, and you can reach nippy speeds of up to 10 miles per hour. There are no confusing controls or remote units needed to drive the walk car. You simply pilot it by shifting your weight in the direction you want to go. Stopping the vehicle is as simple as stepping off. Easy peasy.
1,
Laserpecker engraver. Laser engraving is one of the coolest inventions in the modern world, but it's always been very expensive and required huge machines to get into. Now, the Laserpecker engraver is bringing this fun hobby to the masses with this affordable hobby-grade engraving machine. Using the Laserpecker engraver, you can engrave almost anything you want on a huge variety of surfaces. Laserpecker works on paper, fabric, wood, leather, felt, and plastic. Use it to make fun, personalized gifts for your friends and family, which they'll never forget. Unlike traditional laser engraving machines that require advanced technical knowledge to use, the Laserpecker engraver has been designed so that anyone can get up and running in minutes. The laser module dynamically detects the objects placed in the engraving tray and adjusts its height to suit without any intervention from the user. Remote operation is easy and safe using the free smartphone app. There's no need to worry about storage with the Laserpecker engraver. This innovative little gadget can actually fold flat so that it takes up almost no space while it's not in use.